Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change YouTube channel name. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to select your profile and select view your channel. Select customize channel. In here you just need to scroll down. Under name section you just need to type your new channel name. After typing it, you can also change your channel handle over here. Just change it. After changing it, select publish option. We changed our channel name and handle guys, and that's how you change YouTube channel name. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.